Yeah, I think so. Hold up. Alright.
Alright, you can now
Look for it.
About to leave. So get on the bus.
Yeah, right Yep.
I want to make sure that I put them in your purse.
On the bus you go. Smokey the Bear.
I travel to get to A and D and C and D. So.
What's up, Matt?
Alright, so now I'm gonna I have to situate it on here. So she gotta walk me down.
These are locked. These where they lock her in at. Look at these heavy bad boy things. They heavy as fuck.
One got Matt. That's good, so we're going to the same place. I know. Okay. So this is Ashley's Lane. It's a service for people with disability. They'll take you anywhere where the regular bus goes at. But the only difference is it costs more and it comes to your door. So you can service door service, like your house or the mall or like whatever. So yeah. So I'm not gonna record the whole thing. So peace out for now. Alright.
Say bye.
Bye. Alright, peace.
Peace.
Peace, lame.